I have tons of ideas for which I want AI videos should be created. But if I'm going to enter all my ideas one by one, it will be very time consuming. Instead of that, I have this setup that will generate me bulk videos automatically in one click. You don't have to give the prompts again and again to Gemini. Just create this amazing setup that will generate bulk videos with Gemini AI agent. So these are 20 ideas I've added in the spreadsheet. You can see they are all the different kind of ideas right here. Now I want the videos for all the ideas should be generated in one click. I don't have to give all the prompts one by one to Gemini. You don't believe me it's going to work? Let me show you. So you can see these are all the ideas. Now with just one click, go to extensions. I'll go to the step. I'm going to click on this button. You will see in next 15 seconds, the video link will be updated in this spreadsheet one by one automatically. There is no one in the spreadsheet, you can see right over here. But the link of the videos in 15 seconds is going to be updated automatically. When it will start updating in the spreadsheet, I will show you. You can see right over here, one by one in front of you, the link of all my video ideas is going to be updated in the spreadsheet. Okay, you can see one by one, all the links are getting uploaded in the spreadsheet. I will show you here also. You will see one by one for the video links for all these ideas is also going to be updated. So let it be updated all in one together, and then I'll show you all the links that is updated. Okay, and you can see right over here all the links are updated. So as now the links are updated successfully, this is how this setup is actually going to work. If you want, I will show you one of the prompts. I'll zoom in. Okay, so let's see here. So this prompt is create a short animated story of a lonely cloud that cannot produce rain while all the other clouds create beautiful rainstorms. The cloud travels across the sky searching for a way to help. Eventually it discovers a dry village and manages to create rain, bringing flowers, trees and happiness back to the village. Okay, if I'll open this link, a video is going to be downloaded in my computer. If I'll open this downloaded video, you will see it will be the same story. If
Little Nimbus couldn't make rain like the others. Then he found a village that needed his help.
You can see it created the video according to my requirement. So this is how the setup is actually going to work. Bulk videos with Gemini can be generated from Google Sheets. Now, without wasting any time, let me show you how you can create this setup without need of any technical coding and programming skills using the software Pabbly Connect. Now to create this setup, I will be using Pabbly Connect. Open a new tab, search for Pabbly Connect by typing pabbly.com/connect. You will come to this landing page. Now, if you're logging in for the first time, sign up for free from here. To test out this setup, you can sign up for free right now. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month. Using the tasks, you can test out Pabbly Connect absolutely for free. That means create this setup right now and test it out from your end for free. Okay, I'm already a user. I've signed into my Pabbly Connect account, and now after logging in, I have already created the template of this workflow. If you want this free template as well, check out the workflow link added in the description section below. Now over here in the trigger, it is Google Sheets, new or updated spreadsheet row. To connect the Google Sheet that you have with the prompts with Pabbly Connect, you will see this webhook URL that you need to copy and recapture the response over here. Now to create the connection in spreadsheet, go to extensions, add-ons and get add-ons option, where you will come to this window, on which on the search apps bar, you need to search for Pabbly Connect webhooks and install this application. After installing, go back, refresh the spreadsheet. You will see Pabbly Connect webhooks like this, from which go to this initial setup option, where on the initial setup dialog box, it is going to ask for the webhook URL and the trigger column. For the webhook URL, you need to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided you in the workflow. And for the trigger column, enter the final data column where you've entered your prompt. So I'm entering the style manually as well. So my trigger column is column B, because as soon as I will enter the style and the prompt, automatically both the response is going to be forwarded towards my URL. Okay, click on the submit button. It says setup configured successfully. With that, I've already entered the prompt for which I want the video in the spreadsheet. So click on the send test button as well. The first data that is entered in this spreadsheet is going to be forwarded towards this URL. It says test data sent. Now we have forwarded test data. You will see in the response has also been captured. We'll tally the response later because one final step is left, that is click on the send on event option, so that not just in bulk, if you will enter the new idea in the spreadsheet for the video as well, automatically the trigger is going to capture the response of that idea also. Okay, so that is why click on send on event. Now you will see the response is captured. This is the prompt. I'll zoom in. I'll show you the prompt. Create a short animated story about a small robot living alone in futuristic city. The robot discovers a tiny dying flower growing between two buildings and decides to protect it. Show the robot searching for water, protecting the flower from storms, and finally watching it bloom beautifully with the futuristic city light up around them. Okay, you can see this is the prompt and the style is emotional 3D sci-fi animation. Okay, now you can see it's the same style and it's the same story of the robot in the futuristic city. So as now the response is captured, Google Sheets is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now using the prompt and the style, let's ask Gemini to generate the text into a video. Click on the connect option, add new connection, enter the API key right here. For that, go towards this hyperlink. You will go to Google AI Studio Playground page where you have to go towards this get API section, generate the key, copy and paste it down in the field and create the connection. Likewise, I've already created the connection, so I'll select it and save it. Now I've entered the prompt that you want the video to be generated like. So now for this prompt, I will write it as. So this is my entire prompt. If you want this text that is going to create amazing videos for you as well, you need to comment the word prompt and I will show you this input that I'm entering. Okay, now I have to enter the video idea in this field. For the data of this field, I will map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Add a slash previous step is going to appear where you have received the prompt for the video. Now for this prompt, I want to generate the video, so I'll select the data from my previous response, which makes this data mapped. You can clearly see it, and as now this data is mapped, this is dynamic. Now whenever the response of a new prompt will be captured in the trigger, that new data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the style right here. Now this is the entire prompt. If you want this, you have to comment down below the word prompt. I'll share you. Okay, and click on the save and send test request button. As soon as I will do that, within 10 to 15 seconds, you will see the response is going to be generated with Gemini, and I will show you the response that you will receive as well. So I'll wait, and you can see right over here, I have received this response, and over here I've received the status as completed. I have received this URI, that's your video. In the help desk, it says copy the URI from the response, paste it into your browser address bar, add your Gemini key to the end of URI using the key parameter that is mentioned right here. In order to access the video that is generated, you have to follow the instructions. So if you want to see the video, copy the URI, paste it down, copy this key parameter over here, paste it down and enter the key that you have used to create the connection in this step. So let me do that. So this is my key, this is my entire URL. I'm going to click on this enter button. You will see a video is installed, and if I'll open this video, it will be the same story that we wanted. You can see this was the exact prompt that I've entered. I've received it as video. So as now I've received the video from Gemini successfully. Now what we are going to do is we are going to update this video URL back in this Google Sheets. For that, I've used Google Sheets update cell value. Click on this connect option, go to add new connection section, let it load. After that, go to add new connection, sign in with Google. Now select the account with the help of which you have created a spreadsheet from here. And then it is asking for the access of the account, for which click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. I have created a spreadsheet in the name of AI video creation sheet and the sheet in the name of sheet 1. So I'll select both the details from here. Then we have to enter the range. Range is a mix of column and row index. The column where I want to update the URL is column C. So I'm going to enter the range as column C, and then I will map the data of the row index that I've received in this step. Okay, and for for the value, what I will do is I will map the data of the URI that I've received in this Google Gemini step, and then simply I will paste down the key parameter and the key of my account so that people can directly access the video in the spreadsheet as well. Okay, then I'm going to click on the Save Instant Test Request button, where I've received this response, which is a positive response, and in my spreadsheet you will see automatically this link has been updated back right here. If I'll open the link, it will be the same video that has been installed back in the spreadsheet. So if I'll open this, you will see it will be the same video right here. Okay, so as now the video link has been updated over here again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. Now I want to generate bulk Gemini videos. In order to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to go to the extensions option. We are going to go towards this Pabbly webhooks and then simply click on the send all data option. But before that, you need to make sure this workflow is created for this first video. Created, and then I'm going to delete this video from here. So now created, as you have created the workflow for the first, your setup is created. Now after the setup has been created, go back, go to extensions, Pabbly webhooks, and click on the send all data option. As soon as now you will do that, now all the data will be one by one forwarded towards the workflow that you've created, and the video links for all the prompts will be automatically generated and added back into this spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm going to wait over here and then I'll show you all the video links that is updated one by one. The links are automatically updated. As now all the links have been updated successfully, if I'll show you, let's suppose for I'm going to open this. Create a short animated story about a young wizard who accidentally turns his bedroom into a magical jungle while practicing a spell. Every attempt fix the mistake makes the jungle bigger and funnier. Eventually, the wizard learns to control his magic and transform the jungle into the beautiful indoor garden. Okay, so I'm going to open this link. You will see a video is going to install. If I'll open this video right over here, you will see automatically.
Just a little levitation spell? This is not what I meant! No, make it stop! Go back! Now that is much better.
Can you see? It was the video that I want. It's been created. If I'll open another video for all of you. So let's suppose we'll see this. Create a short animated story about a small squirrel preparing for winter while the larger animals laugh at its tiny size. Show the squirrel collecting food every day while everyone ignores it. When a huge storms arrive, the squirrel uses it carefully, collect food to help all the animals' survival, and end up with everyone appreciating the little squirrel. Okay, I'd open this link. You will see a video is going to be installed. If I'm going to open this video, it will be the same story. Can you see the video has been downloaded? It was the same story that I wanted. So as now you can see right over here, the video has been created by Gemini in bulk and updated back in my spreadsheet. This means this entire workflow has now been created. Now, if you want, you can create this setup to generate bulk Gemini videos for yourself as well. If you're a content creator, anyone can use this amazing setup. Okay, so this was it for this video, guys. Thank you all so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.